All right, so new this year, we've got the new Soiree Flamenco series. This is a nice kind of mid-vigor, really nice ruffled petals. So right here we have the new Salmon Glow. So this is the most compact of those, the new fourth of the series. Then next to that, we've got the Cheeky Pink. So a little bit more vigor you can see as we go through with the video here. This is a really nice pink edged with that white center and then the pure white eye there. Next to that one, this is the most twisted of the series. This is the pink twist. So you can see that this flower is a little more ruffled, almost doubled, more so than the other ones, but still a really nice, great color. Again, habit-wise, pretty similar to that Cheeky Pink that you just saw. And then lastly in that series we have the Senorita Pink. So this is a really great, it's got that pink kind of magenta eye to it. A nice splash with the kind of white blush rim. Again, the ruffled petals and just as vigorous as the pink twist. So here we're just highlighting, this is the Fashion Pink, which is a current market variety of our Scaevola Surdiva. We wanted to compare this one to the new yellow experimental that we have, which is here in the bed. So you'll see this one, you can see that it times well with the Fashion Pink. It's a really nice yellow color, controlled, nice habit. And then again, also wanted to compare, it grows most similar to our white improved, again, in that Scaevola Surdiva category. And then new, also new for this year, we have a new standalone Surfinia new series that we're calling Double XL. This is the Taffy Pink. This is the first of its kind. So the Double XL refers to the largeness of the flower, not the vigor of the plant. So this flower is about 9.5 centimeters, which is about 4 inches. So you can see, but really nice controlled habit. It's a little more upright, similar to that Purple Starshine that we introduced 2 years ago. Just a really great pink color. Also this one, we did some trials. It's day length neutral, so early blooming. So next, again, we have another start of the Heavenly series. This is the Heavenly Cabernet. This is new for this year as well. So really great burgundy, you know, nice color with that dark black throat. Again, really nice and controlled. This one's gonna be similar to that deep red and heavenly blue. So this will be a start of a new sub-series in conjunction with those. So really nice controlled habit. And then new for the Sun Parasol series, we have a new standalone Sunbeam. So this has been our most exciting introduction, gained the most recognition as we're starting to promote. So this is our first yellow in the series. This is going to be similar to the originals as far as being a bush type upright growth. If you already have the originals in your program, this should be an easy plug-in. So again, a great first yellow for us, just a really, really great color. It does well in the beds and containers and baskets that we've seen. Yeah, you're good.